Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video, guys. So I'm here with the Huawei Watch GT Runner, and in this video I will be showing you how to perform a factory reset on this smartwatch. In fact, I'm going to show you two ways to perform the factory reset. Okay, so if you're selling the watch on to somebody else, or if you're giving it away to maybe a friend or a family member, I highly recommend doing a factory reset. And what the factory reset does, it just wipes the watch. So it's going to remove all your applications, watch faces, personal data and information from the watch. So I highly recommend performing a factory reset before you sell it on or before you give it away. Okay, so the first way to perform a factory reset is to go into the Huawei Health application and scroll down to devices and then select the device and just make sure that it says connected, and then scroll down to where it says restore factory settings, and then here it explains Huawei Watch GT Runner will be removed from the app. Settings and fitness and health data on your device will be cleared. So just go ahead and hit restore, and then it will wipe the watch totally clean and bring it back to its factory default settings, just like when you took it out the box when you first got the watch brand new. Okay, the next way, the second way to perform the factory reset is to press the home button, scroll down to where it says settings, select it, select system, scroll down to where it says reset, select it, and then it explains resetting will erase all your data. So go ahead and select the little tick, and then it's going to perform the reset. Okay, so from here, if you're going to be giving it away, just simply hold down the home button and power off the watch. And then you can just put the watch back in its box and give it to whoever you're giving it to, or sell it to whoever you're selling it to. Or if you're keeping it, just simply go back through the setup process to get the watch set up again. But yeah, that was just my video showing you all how to, well, two ways on how to perform a factory reset on the Huawei Watch GT Runner. Hope this video helped you out, guys. If it did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you're watching my videos on YouTube. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.